ask God for the land. Don't ask him for the business. Don't ask him for the notoriety. Don't ask him for the opportunity and then treat people a certain way once you get there. If God ever blesses you, act like you would want somebody to act. If it were you. So when he does do it, and when money isn't a problem, and they know your name everywhere you go, you still look a man and a woman in the eye and be grateful for the opportunity that they even know you exist. Because there is an alternative. Nobody could be concerned about who you are. Can God trust you with influence? Can God trust you with opportunity? What is it going to hurt you to say, nice to meet you too?